Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we have solved a nice algebra problem. This maths question, it will be x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 is equal to 120. We will find out what is the value of x in this maths olympiad question. So how to solve this question? So you know that 2 plus 3 it will be 5, 1 plus 4 it will be 5. So I can see this expression, it will be our math solution. Here x plus 1 times, and here is x plus 4 times, and this is x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to 120. Now at this moment I can see this times this, it will be x times x, it will be x squared, plus x times 4, it will be 4x, x times 1, it will be x, 4 times 1, it will be 4, and here x times x, it will be x squared, plus 3 times x, it will be 3x, 2 times x, it will be twice x, and 3 times 2, it will be 6, and here is 120. Now at this moment I can see this expression, it will be x squared plus 5x plus 4 times, and here x squared plus 5x, and this is 6 is equal to 120. Then I can see this expression here, x squared plus 5x plus 4 times, and I can see this value, it will be x squared plus 5x, and this 6, you can see this 6, it will be 4 plus 2, so I take here is 4 plus 2 is equal to 120. Now at this moment here both are same, x squared plus 5x plus 4, x squared plus 5x plus 4, so let x squared plus 5x plus 4, it will be y, so we will let this is equal to y. So at this moment if I put this below here, so you can see this equation, it will be y times y plus 2 is equal to 120. Now here y times y, it will be y squared plus 2 times y, it will be 2y, and if I move on this 120 in this side, it will be negative 120 is equal to 0. Now at this point if I do middle factor here, so it will be y squared plus 12y minus 10y minus 120 is equal to 0. 12 times 10, it will be 120, 12 minus 10, it will be 2. Now here y is common, so if I take here is y is common, so this divide this, it will be y, and this divide this, it will be 12. Then negative 10 is common, so if I take negative 10 here is common, so it will be y minus minus, it will be plus, and here is 12 is equal to 0. Now you can see easily here y plus 12 is common, so y plus 12, then this divide this, it will be y, and this divide this, it will be negative 10 is equal to 0. So we'll find out two cases. Our first case y plus 12 is equal to 0, another case y minus 10 is equal to 0. But remember that, recall y is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4, so I put this value here, so it will be x squared plus 5x plus 4, so you can see it will be x squared plus 5x plus 4 and plus 12 is equal to 0, and it is also same case, x squared plus 5x plus 4, then here is negative 10 is equal to 0. Now you can see this expression here, x squared plus 5x, then 4 plus 12, it will be 16 is equal to 0. But here x squared plus 5x, then it will be negative 6 is equal to 0. So you can see easily here, if I do middle factor here, so this expression, it will be x squared plus 6x minus x plus minus 6 is equal to 0. Then you can see easily here x is common. So if I take here is x is common, so I take here is x, then this divide this, it will be x, this divide this, it will be 6, minus 1 is common, so it will be x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then you can easily here x plus 6, and this divide this, it will be x, and this divide this, it will be negative 1 is equal to 0. Now in this expression we are find out here is x, it will be negative 6, and if I move on this negative 1 in this side, it will be positive 1. So this is our final answer. This is two solution, x is equal to minus 6 and 1, both are real solution. But here is x is equal to what? In this quadratic equation, x is equal to what? So how to calculate this equation? So in this quadratic equation, you can easily here is a is equal to 1, and v is equal to 5, and c is equal to 16. Then we know that here x, it will be minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. Now you can easily here x, it will be minus b, v is minus 5 plus minus square root, then v square, I mean 5 square minus 4ac over 2a, a is 1. Now at this moment you can easily here x, it will be minus 5 plus minus square root 25 minus 64 over 2 times 1, it will be 2. Then here x, it will be minus 5 plus minus square root 39 over 2, 64 minus 25, it will be minus 39. Then here x, it will be minus 5 plus minus square root 39 I over 2. This is the value of x. So this is our two solution, and this is our two solution. So we are find out here is 4 solution. But interesting, this both solution, this two solution is complex number, complex solution. It is the imaginary part, but this is our real solution. This is real part. Here is x is equal to minus 6 1. Let's check out our question. It will be x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, and x plus 4 is equal to 120. This is our question. So first of all, we are find out like x is equal to 1. So you can see it will be 1 plus 1 will be 2 times 1 plus 2 will be 3 times 1 plus 3 it will be 4 times 1 plus 4 it will be 5 is equal to 120. Is it right? So let's check out. Here is 2 times 3, it will be 6, and 6 times 5 it will be 30. 30 times 4 it will be 120. So you can see easily x is equal to 1. This is our right answer. So this time this time this, it will be 120. It is right. But now at this point, if you think x is equal to negative 6, so I take x is equal to negative 6. It's okay. So you can see easily here x is equal to negative 6. So negative 6 plus 1, negative 6 plus 2, negative 6 plus 3, negative 6 plus 4 is equal to 120. Now you can see easily here 5, this is minus 4, this times, and this is minus 3 times, this is minus 2, this is 120. Because of that, this is plus, minus minus minus, it will be plus. 5 times 4 it will be 20, 20 times 3 it will be 60, then 60 times 2 it will be 120. So you can see easily here x is equal to minus 6 and 1, both are real solution, both are our solution. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.